Hello guys, ito yung surrounding ko guys. Ito yung malapit lang bahay ko dyan sa kabila. Bahay ito, tapos yung kabila. Tapos ito yung mga surrounding ko ito. Palayan to, malapit ng tatani. Malapit na siyang anihan. Yan. It's all plain land. Tapos taniman ng mga palayan. Doon sa kabila, harvest na sila. Dito sa kabila, harvest. But the other side, ay ano pa, did just planted, I think did just plant the rice. I will show you. Ayan, ako yung ako yung walk, cardio exercise, just walking for like 10 minutes or no, I just reduced to 5 minutes of papunta doon and then 5 minutes pabalik, so around 10 minutes. So this is my surrounding, this is my neighborhood, I think this is my community. And the other side of the road, yeah, you see, they just plant the rice. All the green that you can see, that is a rice. So it is a rice field. Yeah, this is my surrounding. This is our community, I guess. Farm, coconut tree, rice, and then sometimes there's a mango, some kind of fruits. Yeah, you see. Oh. So ito yung Cotabato. Pag nasa Cotabato ka, lahat ay farm, rice field. Pagpunta ka doon sa kabila, doon sa pinakadulo doon, sa ano doon, yung mga tanim nila ay mga palm oil. So ganito yung aking. Now it's around 6:30 in the morning. Pag nasa Hong Kong pa ako, tulog pa ako niyan, nasa bed. If I was in Hong Kong, I still on bed, still sleeping, still snoring. But now here in the Philippines, I need to wake up early in the morning because all the people inside the house, they already wake up. So I feel shame. I feel shy to that everybody is already wake up, then I'm the one is still in bed. Di ba nakakahiya?